Imagine waking up tomorrow with complete financial freedom. No more stress about bills, no more worrying about your future, just the confidence that your money is working for you, so you don't have to work for money anymore. But here's the thing, this dream is closer to reality than you think, if you act now. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share with you the top 5 investment strategies that will set you on the fast track to financial success in 2025 and beyond. But here's the catch, this isn't for everyone. Only those who are willing to step up and take action will make it. Will you be one of them? Let's be real. Most people are stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. And what's worse, you're watching everyone else invest in their future while you're still waiting for the perfect time to start. The harsh truth, there is no perfect time. The time is now. And every day you wait could be costing you thousands, if not more, when it comes to building wealth. 2025 is right around the corner, and with it comes incredible opportunities for those who are ready. But before we dive into the strategies, let's break it down. If you want to make smart financial moves this year, you need to start with 2 things: budgeting and planning. Yes, budgeting sounds boring, but it's the cornerstone of your entire wealth-building strategy. Let's start with the foundation, setting clear savings goals. Picture this, you're driving to an unknown destination with no GPS, no map, and no plan. How long do you think you'll get before you're lost? Exactly. Same goes for your financial journey. Without clear savings goals, you're just wandering aimlessly. Here's the kicker. Research shows that people who set specific, measurable goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. Pause. So, let's get practical. Start by writing down how much you want to save. Think about things like a down payment for a house, building an emergency fund, or even investing for retirement. Pause. Break these down into monthly and weekly savings targets. Pause. And then stick to them. And here's the urgency. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compounding interest. Every day you wait, you're leaving money on the table. The clock is ticking, my friend. Don't waste it. Now, let's talk about making it easy to save. If you're waiting until you feel like saving, good luck. That's not how wealth is built. You need to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings or investment account. Make it a non-negotiable monthly payment. It's like paying yourself first. Your future self will thank you. And I know what you're thinking. I don't have enough to automate. Wrong. Even $50 a month can add up over time. You're not too broke to automate. You're too lazy not to. See, even your phone is trying to distract you. Don't let it. Set up automation today and stop letting your future slip away. All right, now that you've got your savings goals and automation in place, it's time to get smart about diversification. Remember this, don't put all your eggs in one basket. I know, you've heard this 1,000 times, but it's true. If 2020 taught us anything, it's that you can't rely on just one income source or one type of investment. The smart play? Diversify across asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like crypto or peer-to-peer lending. Diversification minimizes your risk and maximizes your chances of steady returns. Just don't go overboard. Focus on what works for your risk tolerance and goals. Now stay with me here, because our next strategy is one that can take your portfolio to the next level. Have you ever tried to time the market? Spoiler alert, it rarely works. But you know what does? Dollar cost averaging. This is where you invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. Some months you'll buy when prices are low. Some months they'll be high. But over time, this smooths out your cost basis and reduces the impact of volatility. The best part? You don't have to worry about timing the market. Just keep investing consistently. That's the key. Trying to time the market is like trying to catch a falling knife. Best to just wait for it to hit the ground. Here's the final strategy you need to know for 2025 real estate. This isn't just about buying a house to live in. It's about using real estate as a wealth-building tool. Whether you're renting out properties or flipping homes, real estate has the power to generate consistent passive income, tax benefits, and long-term appreciation. If you're just getting started, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, for lower risk exposure. But if you've got the capital, consider purchasing a property outright. The beauty of real estate is that over time, it appreciates, and someone else is paying off your mortgage. We've covered a lot, but I know what you're thinking. How do I make sure all of this grows and compounds? Well, here's the secret that could double your wealth without you lifting a finger. To truly maximize your returns and unlock the next level of wealth, you've got to understand the power of compounding. Trust me, this is where the magic happens. So, if you're serious about securing your financial future, click the video on your screen right now to discover how compound interest can make you rich over time. Don't just watch the world pass you by. Start today and turn your financial dreams into reality. Take control of your financial future. I'll see you in the next video.